Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide or remove specific subcategory in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page and then you see categories. So this is our parent category ceramic and this is our subcategory ceramic product. So we are going to hide subcategory using custom code. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then scroll down, you can add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our main category, product category ceramic. So we are going to target subcategory. So this is our subcategory of ceramic. Now go to product category and then scroll down, you see slug. So this is our main category ceramic and then you see slug. So this is our subcategory and then you see slug. Now back to code. So we added main category slug and then we added subcategory slug. So we are going to hide subcategory on single product pages and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. So this is our main category and this is our subcategory ceramic product. So we are going to hide ceramic product category. Now you see subcategory hide on single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.